Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have a very special guest to join us. And this is my mother-in-law.
Hello.
How are you, Mom?
Fine. I'm Georgine. I love Mom.
I love you too. Thank you, Mom, for coming. As you can see from the title, we are doing a Charlotte Tilbury red carpet makeover. And we're gonna keep it a secret until the end, so she won't be able to see it until it's done.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready or not?
What kind of look do you want to go for today? Because you won't know what I'm doing, but I just want to know what you like.
Oh my gosh. I just trust you to do whatever you think is best.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Believe me, your best is better than mine.
No, I don't. I don't think you need much, but I'm gonna try to go a little bit more than normal.
Okay.
Like a little more glamorous.
Obviously, this is for the mature audience.
Yes.
Since I'm in that mature category.
And Charlotte Tilbury is really good for that because they are more targeted to more mature skin and skin type and the kind of look that mature people would like also.
Okay.
So everyone can use it. That's why I'm trying to do that. And I really like that brand and I got you a lipstick from them.
Oh, and I love it. It's my favorite.
Today you're going to try the whole range.
Okay. Something tells me this will be costly. Because then I'll want to buy all these products.
Alright, the first step is skin prep.
Okay.
So today I'm going to use the Magic Cream on you.
Alright.
And this is a very good cream.
Magic is a good word for me.
Yes. It is pretty magical.
Okay.
And it's like, it's kind of primer and cream at the same time.
A lot of women my age have sunspots or age spots.
Mm-hmm.
And I know a lot of my friends, they will treat them. There are products that can treat the sunspots, but I am out in the sun so much already that I've chosen not to do that.
Because you're so active.
Yes. So I'm protecting my skin with sunscreen or moisturizer, but I've chosen not to try and lighten the sunspots.
Oh.
But if I wear foundation, of course, they're covered.
But I don't think you have much.
A lot of my friends do fillers too, like right here and here, but I'm not doing that either.
Did you ever think of it?
No.
So next, I'm going to use this Light Wonder. I hope this is a good color for you. I think it might be because it's really sheer.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to use your sponge. It's clean. And then I'm going to dip it in here like this. Then please tell us about the first time you started wearing makeup.
I was a sophomore in high school, and I was invited to the senior prom by one of the senior boys. And I told my mom I just had to wear makeup. I'd never worn makeup before because it was the prom. And it took some talking, but she finally said, okay. And what I do remember is the mascara particularly. It's like, oh my God, look at those gorgeous eyelashes.
Oh, so that was the first time?
The very first time.
And then you did everything?
It was very simple. It was mascara and some blush and lipstick. It was very simple.
Okay.
I don't think I had foundation.
You probably
it was a long time ago.
Then, right?
Right, 16. I guess I was 16 years old.
When I was 16, I had so much acne.
I didn't have a lot of acne.
Genetic, I think.
Mm-hmm. I definitely have my mom's family's genes in terms of complexion. My mom and my aunts, none of them had any wrinkles.
Wow.
I still have an aunt who's in her mid-80s, and she doesn't have a wrinkle on her. And then my youngest aunt, who's only 6 years older than I am, but that puts her in her 70s, she doesn't have a wrinkle either.
That's why you don't have any wrinkles either. Change of plan. We prop Mom up a little higher so that it's a little bit easier for you to see and also for me to do it. Now we're going to do powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. You said you don't like powder, right?
Well, at my age, usually not. Because if you do have wrinkles, it settles into them.
These brushes, I washed them this week. So brand new.
Okay.
And this powder is very light.
All right. Well, and since I do have a little bit of oily skin, that would really probably be better for me.
Yeah, it help keep the oil a little bit
Yes.
in control, but it's not supposed to make things heavy.
Right. Well, I'm learning how to apply it. I don't
Yes.
think I ever knew that.
So what I do is a little bit under the eye,
Mm-hmm.
and I tap. When you swipe, it might
Mm-hmm.
take off the things underneath.
I see. I didn't know that.
Powder, and then I did a little bit of the contour one just around her face, and just warm things up as well as giving it a little bit of a shadow. And then we're getting to the fun part, my favorite part. Starry eyes to hypnotize on mom. And I'm not going to tell mom what color I'm going to use, but I'm going to show you only. First, I'm going to use this shade, and then I might use a little bit of this shade right here, and then probably this one too. Please tell us about your daily makeup routine.
I always use an astringent.
Mm-hmm.
And
What is that?
it just is a deep cleanse of your skin. And since I have an oily T-zone,
Yeah.
it really helps a lot. And then I either put on a light moisturizer, or if I'm going out, sunscreen.
I see.
A sunscreen moisturizer. And my everyday routine, then I would add a little pencil, eyeliner, a neutral eyeshadow shade, just one.
Mm-hmm.
Pencil in my brows a little bit. Then a little bit of cream blush. And lip gloss. That's it.
That's more than I thought you would do. So what I'm doing here is that I'm deepening it up a little bit.
Okay.
And then I'm going to blend it all out first. Now I'm going to use this shade. Now I'm going to move on to your lower lash line.
Okay.
If you can look up for me. So what I did is I finished the eye look, Legendary Lash Volume 2 Mascara on Mom. And we did like a 2.5 coat, I think. And then we cleaned up a little bit. We did the brows off camera too because I took forever to do it. But now, the glow. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. Remember, Mom? We watched a video that I did.
Oh, yes.
A little bit like that. A little bit here. A little bit here. The best thing of being a mom.
You get to experience pure joy in a way you never have before. It's wonderful to see your children grow and become young adults.
And how about the worst thing?
Oh, well, I would say the worst thing is when you see your child in pain and you can't do anything about it. Well, what I loved about Aaron that was always special was he was what I called a Lego nut and a nature nut. And anytime he made his own creation out of Legos, he would come and tell me the whole story about what this thing was doing.
Okay.
In outer space or whatever. And with Corey, it was sharing the gift of music. He was so musical. And they both had a love of outdoors in different ways. Aaron, it would be going on a hike with him, and he had to discover everything on the way and examine every little leaf or twig. So we wouldn't get very far, but we'd be out there for a long, long time. And Corey,
see that.
Corey, it would be, he would not see any details. He would like rush. Let's get going. When we went to the beach once when they were younger, Corey really got into body surfing.
What is that?
It's you have, instead of like a regular surfboard, you have a body board, and you go out and let the waves bring you in while you're laying on it. Go out in the ocean.
Because I'm going to use this Glowing Gen lipstick on Mom, so I use it as a blush.
Oh.
Yeah, so I've been doing like this, so it will create kind of like a monochromatic look.
Okay.
So now I'm going to use it on Mom's lips. This is the reveal time. So you finally
I'm
can
afraid
look into the nose. Are you ready?
Alrighty.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. You can see it. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. I didn't know
What do
I
you
could be
think?
that good looking.
You like
I
it?
love it. Oh, I love my eyes. I don't think I've ever done my eyes like that.
You really?
Yeah. I think, oh, they're gorgeous. Yes. I love everything.
The brows.
Yes.
It's a little bit rough, but
oh, I think the glow is right for my age.
It looks
Definitely.
really good. What would you rate this? Would you go out with this?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Really?
I would love to go out with this.
And
yes.
if there's anything you would change, what would that be?
Of what you've done?
Yeah.
Oh my. I wouldn't change anything.
Really?
Yeah. Look at those eyes. I have never had eyes like that.
I hope you guys like this video. It's very, very fun. Thank you, Mom, again, for letting me.
Well, Dad's going to have to take me out now.
I know. You're going to go to Corey. So he better.
Yes.
You better cry when you see his mom today. Let us know in the comment section below what look you want me to do, Mom, next.
You want me to do you?
You can give me a makeover.
You'd have to tell me what to do.
It's hard to fix this. Like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of fun videos coming. Follow me on my social media, my Instagram account, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, don't flop. Bye!
Bye!